Hello friends, we will see today plant protection equipments in which we will see about the dusters. So we will see what is dusters. Duster is a machine to apply chemical in dust form. Dusters make use of air streams to carry pesticides in finely divided dry form on the plants. A duster consists of hopper, agitator, feed control, fan or blower and delivery nozzles. Types of dusters: plunger type, knapsack type, rotary type, power operator duster. The duster consists of a chamber for the dust outlet, a cylinder with piston rod and handle. Sometimes the dust chamber is placed below the cylinder. By moving the piston back and forth in the cylinder, dust is forced through the outlet. This type of duster is suitable for dusting a small area. This is all about plunger type hand duster. It is a duster with powder container on the back of the operator. This is about knapsack type of duster. Knapsack dusters have a hopper through which a current of air is blown to pick up the dust. The air current is produced by lever operated leather blows. Shoulder straps or carrying straps are generally provided in such dusters and they can be easily carried in the fields. These dusters are suited for small areas only. Rotary type hand duster. This type of duster is provided with an enclosed fan geared to a hand crank and a hopper holding the dust. It is equipped with an agitator to stir the dust and a regulator to control the discharge opening. This duster is usually fastened to the operator by means of shoulder strips. The right hand is used for cracking and the left hand to guide the discharge tube. These dusters can hold about 3.6 to 4.5 kg of dust and large enough to treat 0.4 to 0.6 hectare of cropped area in a day. Originally, they are not found suitable for dusting over 3 meters of height. This is the figure of or the line diagram of rotary duster. You can see the different components like lead, hopper, brush is there, agitating shaft is there, feed control lever, then the spray lance is there, nozzle is there, gearbox, crank, this is the blower, then the breeze plate, suction pipe. These are the components of this duster. Power operated dusters. Power operated duster mainly consists of a power driven fan, a hopper and a delivery spout. The fan creates strong airflow which causes the dust to blow off from the hopper to a considerable distance either vertically or horizontally. The direction of the dust is regulated by a movable delivery spout suitably fitted with the unit. These types of duster are used for large areas. Seed dresser. It is a machine to apply coating of protective chemicals to seeds. Fumigator. It is a machine to generate and distribute gases or smoke. Flame gun. It is an apparatus to kill weeds by a flame. Power sprayer cum duster. It is a power operated sprayer which can be converted as a duster when required. Important terms related to duster and also a sprayer. Suction capacity of power sprayer per plunger is calculated by Q is equal to pi upon 4 multiplied by d square multiplied by n multiplied by L multiplied by small n into 10 raised to minus 6, where Q is theoretical suction capacity in liters per minute, d is diameter of the plunger in millimeter, and n is number of revolutions per minute. L is stroke length in millimeter. volumetric efficiency, it is calculated by actual suction capacity divided by theoretical suction capacity. Pump efficiency, it is calculated by water horsepower divided by shaft horsepower, WHP divided by SHP in short. Then what is water horsepower? It is the power which is required only to deliver liquid from the pump, and it is calculated by Q multiplied by H divided by 4500 or Q multiplied by P divided by 450, where Q is suction capacity in liters per minute, H is head in meter, 1 kg per centimeter square pressure equal to 10 meter of water, and P is pressure in 1 kg per centimeter square. Then there are some examples. Calculate water horsepower which is required to discharge liquid at the rate 30 liters per minute at 30 kg per centimeter square pressure. So two things are given, discharge rate and the pressure. These two things are given. So we'll calculate first. Water horsepower can be calculated by the formula Q multiplied by H divided by 4500 or Q multiplied by P divided by 450. In that, Q discharge rate is 30 liters per minute and the pressure P is 30 in kg per centimeter square divided by 450. So water horsepower will be 2. Then the next problem is, in a pump, pressure is created 35 kg per centimeter square. Suction volume is 25 liter per minute and the pump efficiency is 85%. Calculate the shaft horsepower. So first of all, we will calculate water horsepower by Q multiplied by P divided by 450. So Q is 25, P is 35 divided by 450 will be 1.95. So shaft horsepower can be calculated by the formula WHP divided by the pump efficiency. So pump WHP is calculated 1.95 and the pump efficiency is 0.85 in fraction, and we will get shaft horsepower as 2.28. Then the next example, find the suction capacity of a power sprayer if the diameter of the plunger is 25 millimeters, speed is 1100 rpm, length of the stroke is 22 millimeter, and the number of plungers are 3. So this is the ready-made formula. In that formula, you can put all the values, pi by 4 multiplied by d square multiplied by n multiplied by l multiplied by n into 10 raised to minus 6. So pi by 4, d is the diameter of the plunger 25 square, engine speed 1100, l is 22, small n is 3 multiplied by number of plungers, small n means number of plunger 3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3. So the answer will be Q will be 35.6 liter per minute. Thank you.